TM Temple is having a go on a 300 TM 4-stroke. Right, that engine braking instantly. Woo! Could I ever be a 4-stroke guy? I don't know. It's certainly got their advantages in some places. I'm gonna stall this. What gear's what? I don't even know what gear I'm in. They all feel the same. TM Temple. It's got a ring to it. Oh, there's the first stall. Wonder how many of them we'll do. There's another one. You all right? Woo! So this bike is for sale, TM 300 4-stroke. It's nice. I could get used to it actually. Oh, plows. I love it on them open bits. Could I be a 4-stroke guy? Wow, that is so much easier on this bike. Whew. It's carnage. We'll get up there. I think there's people on it. It's going to be a job. It's going to be a right job. Whoa! Oh! Wow. It's a mess on there, isn't it?
Lovely weather.
No, do not want that down there. That has got super hard. Oh, and it's into its own. There's a far better bike on there. Whoa, when it hooks up it's mega. Yes, lad. Oh, I'm loving it now. It's an absolute weapon if it was in the right person's hands. Fortunately, I'm probably not the right person. I've enjoyed this. Oh. Oh, it's mega! It's an absolute beast! Oh, I'd much rather have this on here than my bike any day. On them bits. Wow, look at the state of this. So if you want to buy this bike, ring M&R in Malton. Ben, ask for Ben, it's his bike. They also sell beaters, Fantics, the full TM range, new or used. Whoa! That rain's like needles in my eyes. Come on, pheasant, shoot season's over, mate. You've survived it. Whoa! Hellfire! Hold on to it, lad. Oh, that is so good up there. I'll be honest, it took half a lap to get used to it, but now I love it. Is that Steve? Should we play with him a little bit? I thought I'll just stay with him a sec, I knew it was you. Once it starts crabbing like that, it's hard to get back in it. And I was like... Can you get it? Come on, big lift, lad. Yes, lad. Just got that bike, so it's brand new. I think it's his first time riding it as well, so fair play. Still a big lift on slurpy ground. Woo! I know. Some wet gloves now. That's got to be the end this time. Thanks to Ben, Manderson, M&R for the loan. Look at these melts.
look at you.
What a mess.
I enjoyed that lap more than the last one.
I said to him, I love that.
Yeah.
Second lap better than that one.
Yeah.